social anxiety, an irrational fear of embarrassing yourself. Social anxiety is something that can be beaten if you take action and control of the situation. You deserve to be happy and experience great time with people. Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Shiinu Tapeshi. To all my returning subscribers, welcome. If you're new, you're in the right place. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. In this video of today, I'll be sharing with you 5 tips to overcome social anxiety. Do you get nervous and a little self-conscious when you walk into a room of people you don't know? Butterflies and anxieties are normal when getting up to give a speech in front of people. Social anxiety is beyond that. It is an absolute fear that it prevents you from going places and doing things. It's limiting happiness and the ability to socialize. Behavioral symptoms of social anxieties include not wanting to go to a place where you are invited to, or taking a friend along with you, or drinking before going somewhere, or worrying about doing everyday activities when it is something you're supposed to do normally without worrying about. If you have more fear than fun, use these tips to overcome your social anxiety. Tip number 1, challenge your own negative thoughts. At times you're so worried before going to a place. You're like, what if I say something stupid? What if I don't have anything to say? You need to think about something before you go there, so that when you go there, you won't say anything stupid. Neither will you just stand and be looking at people when you're expected to talk, like to give a speech or to do something else. You need to challenge your own negative thoughts, because whenever you're so worried, negative things will always be coming to your mind, and it is your place to challenge those negative thoughts. Because if you don't, you will see that you'll find yourself in that situation over and over, and it's going to keep you at home. It will make it difficult for you to go to places, even when you don't have something else to do. Tip number 2, face your fear. When you are someone who is always anxious, someone who is suffering from social anxiety, you will see that you will always be afraid to go out, to socialize with people. You're going to feel that you'll be awkward. You will feel that you're not going to feel comfortable there. You just need to face your fear. You need to go out. It is going to be very uncomfortable for you, but you need to go. Even if it means you should stay there just for like 20 or 40 minutes, you need to go to the occasion. When you go out, try to interact with people. I know it is not easy, but you have to make an effort. If you want to overcome social anxiety, you need to face your fear and do it deliberately, constantly. Tip number 3, learn to control your breathing. When you are nervous, when you are afraid, you see that it is a short little breath that will make you to become more nervous. It will be difficult for you to do things. You'll be really afraid. But if you can control your breathing, you will see that it will help you to relax. The breathing techniques are going to help you to relax, help you to be more calm, and to handle things in a more mature way, and in such a way that you will not regret at the end. Tip number 4, seek professional help. When it comes to giving advice, most of us can advise people on what to do, how they should do it, the various steps, and every other thing. But when it concerns us, at times it's so difficult for us to do it. It's difficult for us to think out the things and do it the way we advise people to. So it's good for you to seek professional help. Go to a therapist. They are there to help you. Explain your situation to them, and they will give you the various rules you should follow and how you should live. Try to obey what they tell you, and you will see that your life will be different. Tip number 5, medication. There are great medications out there to help you. You are beautiful, you're handsome, you're wonderfully made, and you're supposed to have great interpersonal relationship with people. But if your social anxiety is taking the better part of you, why not go and consult so you'll be given the right medication to take so that you'll be able to enjoy life to the fullest and interact with people the way you are supposed to. I know it is difficult, but if you take the first step, you will see that it will be easy for you to do everything smoothly. It's possible if you are determined. So be courageous, no matter how difficult it is, and take the bold step to change your situation, become more confident in the society, and enjoy your life. Don't limit your happiness by staying at home, by closing your door when you can go out and get the right help you need. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. You watching, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with everyone you know and encourage them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. God loves you. Bye-bye.